Chapter 12. The adverbs, kinds of adverbs. Let's connect. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Look at the following sentences carefully. She speaks loudly. Modifies the verb speaks. The weather is fairly warm. Modifies the adjective warm. She speaks very loudly. Modifies the adverb loudly. Let's focus. Kinds of adverbs. The sentences above show that adverbs can add to the meaning of verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs in different ways. Adverbs are classified on the basis of different ways in which they modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. There are 6 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of frequency or number. Adverbs of quantity or degree. Interrogative adverbs. Adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. Study the adverbs of manner in the following sentences carefully. Sheila worked hard to win the prize. The Rajputs fought bravely. The man shouted angrily. The tortoise walks slowly. The patient slept soundly. He spent all his wealth foolishly. He ran fast. In the above sentences, the adverbs hard, bravely, angrily, slowly, soundly, foolishly, and fast show how, or in the manner in which, an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner answers the questions how, or in what manner. An adverb of manner is generally put just after the verb. Here is a list of a few common adverbs of manner. Badly, bravely, beautifully, brightly, briefly, carefully, cheaply, clearly, carelessly, correctly, dangerously, easily, eagerly, extremely, faithfully, frankly, fearlessly, foolishly, frequently, fluently, hastily, honestly, happily, patiently, politely, peacefully, properly, poorly, neatly, nicely, quietly, quickly, generously, greatly, greedily, sincerely, soundly, stupidly, secretly, suspiciously, kindly, boldly, briefly, thoroughly, tightly, timidly, nearly, urgently, voluntarily, willingly, wrongly, fast, hard, well, gladly, openly, really, reluctantly, restlessly, rightly, gently, excitedly, nervously, rashly, noisily, lightly, friendly, rudely, heavily, closely. Adverbs of place. An adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done. Study the adverbs of place in the following sentences carefully. The peon is sitting outside. Ramesh will meet me here. I have to go far. All the bedrooms are upstairs. The accident took place there. One of my uncles has settled abroad. Someone is hiding inside. Don't loiter anywhere. Let's go somewhere for a holiday this weekend. This year our school concert will be held outdoors. In the above sentences, the adverbs outside, here, far, upstairs, there, abroad, inside, anywhere, somewhere and outdoors show where an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. Teacher's note. Tell the students that an accident may take place anytime, anywhere. So, we should be careful while going around. Initiate a discussion on staying safe in the class. Make sure that every student gets to speak. An adverb of place answers the questions where it is placed after the verb. Here is a list of a few adverbs of place: inside, outside, indoors, outdoors, anywhere, upstairs, downstairs, away, above, everywhere, below, down, up, far, somewhere, here, there, backwards, forward, nowhere, nearby, near, in, within, out, overseas. Adverbs of time. An adverb of time tells when or at what time an action is done. Study the adverbs of time in the following sentences carefully. We shall go tomorrow. I rise early. The train will arrive soon. The workers will begin their work now. Anil met me yesterday. The salesman came late. She will finish it today. In the above sentences, the adverbs tomorrow, early, soon, now, yesterday, late and today show when an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. An adverb of time answers the question when or at what time. These adverbs are placed either at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Here is a list of few common adverbs of time. Afterwards, today, recently, yet, late, formerly, tomorrow, early, just, soon, presently, lately, immediately, now, after, yesterday, shortly, already, still, before. Adverbs of frequency or number. An adverb of frequency or number tells how often or how frequently an action is done. Study the adverbs of frequency or number in the following sentences. The milkman comes to our house daily. I called at your office twice. Mr. Gupta rarely comes to our club. The headmaster was almost angry. His face was extremely red with anger. The bus was nearly overcrowded. She is always late for school. In the above sentences, the adverbs daily, twice, rarely, almost, extremely, nearly and always show how often or how frequently an action is done. An adverb of frequency or number answers the questions how often or how frequently. These adverbs are usually placed before the verbs. Here is a list of few common adverbs of frequency. Frequently, repeatedly, daily, often, once, periodically, normally, weekly, seldom, twice, constantly, generally, monthly, always, yearly. Adverbs of quantity or degree. An adverb of quantity or degree tells how much or to what degree or to what extent a thing is done. Study the adverbs of quantity or degree in the following sentences. The old man seems very tired. Mohan is too careless. I am extremely sorry. The headmaster was almost angry. The jug is nearly full. Your friend is partly right. Adverbs of quantity or degree can also modify verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. I really enjoyed the book. Modifies the verb enjoyed. The sun is extremely hot in May. Modifies the adjective hot. He is walking very slowly. Modifies the adverb slowly. In the above sentences, the adverbs very, too, extremely, almost, nearly, and partly show how much or to what degree or to what extent a thing is done. Teacher's note. Let the students know that India has 3 seasons. Ask them to find out more about seasons and what causes them. Now let them discuss the same in the class. Here is a list of some common adverbs of quantity or degree. Almost, too, very, quite, more, most, as, so, enough, nearly, entirely, completely, just, hardly, slightly. Interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. Study the interrogative adverbs in the following sentences. Where is the thief hiding? Place of hiding. When will the bus come? Time of coming. Why is she crying? Reason for crying. How did you open this box? Manner of opening. In the above sentences, the words where, when, why and how are classed as adverbs because. Where refers to the place at which the action is done. When refers to the time at which the action is done. Why refers to the reason for which the action is done, and how refers to the manner in which the action is done. They are called interrogative adverbs because they are used to ask questions.